So po, ito mga Kaps, ito yung video na kung saan pahiya ang mga senador at mga naniniwala ng mga KOJC members kay Kibuloy. Ha? Nagsiiyakan sila kay General Torre. Panoorin nyo na. The best.
We have a lot of instruments, MJ, and I will not allow that we will be tricked into that corner by your lawyer and debunk all others of our all other equipment. That's why we brought more redundancy. Wala kami napagkasunduan regarding that matter. Wala kami napagkasunduan. Isa lang siguro dapat pagkasunduan dito. Ilabas nyo si Apollo Kibuloy.
Yan! Ilabas nyo na si pastor nyo! Ha? Toryon! Bumaliktad ka. Ilaglag mo ng boss mo. Bumaliktad ka na. Sabihin mo na kung nasan. Halata naman na pagod ka na rin. Nakaipon ka na rin siguro ng pera. Sa ilang araw mo dyan. Tama na. Pagod na ang lahat. Isuko mo na si Kibuloy. Yan lang naman ang hiling ni General Torre para matigil ng paghahanap sa KOJC compound. Itigil mo na.
Simple. Doon lang ang katapusan ng lahat.
See?
Pag si Apollo Kibuloy ay humarap na sa huwes. Lagi niya sinasabi. Lagi rin sinasabi ninyo, MJ. Justice for Apollo Kibuloy. Saan hustisya nyo hinahanap ang hustisya na yan? Sa kalsada?
Yan. Ang hustisya ni Kibuloy, hinahanap nila sa kalsada. Wala sa korte ang hustisya ni Kibuloy. Magsitigil kayo. Magkita-kita tayo sa streets. Huwag tayo magkita-kita sa husgado. Sira ulo.
Hindi naman po pwede dyan. Pag sinabi niyong justice for Apollo Kibuloy, ibig sabihin, ang hustisya, iisa lamang dito sa Pilipinas. Nasa mga korte.
Yun.
At ang unang step para makatanggap ka ng hustisya ay magpasakop sa korte.
Yan.
And in this case, to surrender to the court.
Surrender! Paulit-ulit tayo dito. Paulit-ulit tayo dito. Para matapos lang ito, si Pastor Kibuloy lang po ang kailangan ng PNP. Pag si Pastor Kibuloy sumuko, magpakita, whatever, tapos ang stress ng mga tao sa KOJC. Kung ako sa inyo, ituro nyo na. Kung sino man dyan ang pagod na talaga at di na kaya ang stress. Ilaglag nyo na si Kibuloy kung saan man siyang bunker nakatago. Kung talagang pagod na kayo, ilaglag nyo na ang inyong Diyos. The Son of God, damn it. Pastor Kibuloy, the Son of God, damn it.
Yun ang rason dyan, yun ang paraan dyan. Wala nang iba. Just like any other Filipinos. We will re-strategize. Actually, I'm energized. Yang mga lahat ng pinalalampas namin na obstruction of justice,
sige,
aaksyonan na namin.
Ay! Lagot! Yung mga pasaway, obstruction of justice. Ngayon nyo itry. I-try nyo ngayon na magpasaway. I-try nyo ngayon. Tingnan natin kung uulit pa kayo. It's time. Pinagbigyan na kayo, ilang araw nagpipigil ang mga kapulisan sa kakulitan nyo. Sa pagbibwisa, sa paghaharas nyo. Hindi nakakapaghanap ng mabuting mga kapulisan dahil sa mga pasaway na paghaharang nyo. Tapos sasabihin nyo, na wala ng respeto ang mga kapulisan sa religious group na ito? Haharang-harang kayo, tapos pabaliktarin nyo, kayo ang biktima? Paano mga biktima ni Pastor Kibuloy? Paano? Magsalita kayo! Di ba Yolanda? Yolanda!
Madadagdagan ang aresto, sigurado.
Yan! Arrest mga pasaway!
As the need arises, we will do whatever it takes. We will do whatever is needed to catch Apollo Kibuloy
Ba?
in that compound.
Sir, regarding the obstruction of justice, continue the digging, sir?
Yes, we will be. The search will be conducted on our own terms, not on theirs. Nakita nyo naman eh.
Sir, can you expound lang yung sinasabi ng obstruction of justice pag hindi pa nakikipag-operate yung hard arrest you were saying about that? Can you expound lang?
We will arrest anybody who obstructs.
Ay, we will arrest anybody who obstruct. Torion! I-try mo na magpasaway. I-try mong magpasaway ngayong araw. Sige na. Pa-testing lang natin kung nagsasabi ng totoo si General Torre. Baka nagwa-bluff lang naman, Torion. Baka nagwa-bluff lang si General Torre. Baka di ka na may pakulong. Testing lang. Torion, i-try mo mag-obstruction of justice. Try mo lang. Ha? Sabi nyo, sinungaling si General Torre. Baka nagsisinungaling siya dito. Testing. Sige nga. Baka nagyayabang lang naman si General Torre. I-try nyo.
The job of the policeman.
Are we expecting casualty?
We are. We don't have any other information that states otherwise. All the information that we have right now, nandiyan sa loob.
Sir, aras din yung nag-obstruct. How are we expecting casualty?
As the need arises. That's our recommendation. They can heed it or not, but we have ways to enforce that.
Shout out, Kuya Choy Choy. Shout out, mabuhay ka, General Nicolas Torre. Nasa likod mo kami. Sir, no one is above the law. Warrant of arrest is order from the court. Shout out, Kuya Choy Choy.
That if the need arises.
Sir, paano yung magiging grounds para mag-hard arrest tayo?
Basta may obstruction of justice, huhulihin na namin ngayon.
Lo. General Torre, inulit-ulit mo na lang. Baka sabihin na naman niya, nagsisinungaling ka. Bahala ka, General. Iti-testing ka niya nila, Torion. Hindi, nagsisinungaling nga si General Torre. Di naman yan mag-aaresto. Oh! General Torre naman, wag mo silang binobola, ha? Makatesting talaga. Ako talaga, natatakot ako sa iyo, General Torre. Galit na si Mary Ann Rodis.
Ng maigi, 24 hours ang ating mga arresting officers. Wala pa naman. It's all on my call.
So what can we expect tomorrow, sir?
Not tomorrow, tonight.
Tonight!
Meron naman. We're very thankful for the initiative of the Senate of calling this hearing. It allowed us to air our side, which for the past 2 weeks is not heard because there are...
Totoo to kasi yung SMNI, yung lagi nagbabalita ng sides lang nila. Ha? Puro sides lang nila ang binalita ng SMNI. Etong hearing na ito, napagbigyan at nadinig natin yung side nila General Torre at ng mga PNP. Kung ano rin ang side nila. Na narinig nga ng lahat na talagang okay, totoo, ganun talaga. Nadali ngayon sila Torion. Ang kala nila masisira nila si Torre sa Senate hearing kahapon, pero hindi. Mas lalo nilang binuhay ang dugo ni General Torre. Buhay na buhay ang dugo niya dahil sa nangyari kahapon.
There are ethical restraints, there are legal restraints, and now we're able to freely show you what challenges we're facing every day. Hindi naman sa baliwala. Of course, we consider the appeal of the good senator. We consider the appeal of the good senator. It's an input in the way we move forward in these operations.
Sir, as for the number of the police inside?
it will be always dictated by the operational needs and the operational conditions and the changes that will come over.
Sir, yung panawagan nilang access dun sa Cathedral, JMC, ano pong tugon niyo?
Access naman, hindi naman. Dramatics na lang yun eh. Kasi at to this point, pumunta kayo sa Cathedral at makikita niyo mga abogado nila doon nagbabantay sa lahat ng aming ginagawa. Diba? At saka sa dramatics na pinipigilan ng media, kayo nakakaalam. You know the answers. Pag akong tanungin nyo, the media is everyday welcome in KOGC. However, that is not a decision that I can make considering that it is a private entity. Nakakapasok kaming pulis sapagkat kami ay armed and search warrant and the rules of court allows us to break into this compound, into these enclosures, into these areas. However, kayong mga media ay wala niyan. Kaya lang, you can take the challenge of the KOGC that they're saying that you are welcome to go in there. So go in there and go inside, roam around, investigate the police in there, take videos of the police there in the innermost sanctum of KOJC.
Yes.
And let's see if you can do it. Or they will allow it. As the need arises ang mga diggings. Pero kanina sinabi ko doon, kasi nga nakita namin, we are off by 2 feet. Maybe we'll do it 2 feet, 3 feet to the left of the wall that we saw.
Sir, your thoughts na...
Oo, okay, ganun pala. So, magdidig ulit. Ha? Kaya abangan nyo na ang pagdidrill ng ating mga kapulisan. Ha? Attorney Torion, mag-video ka na ulit. Ha? Ato, sinasabi lang ni General Torre, tuloy ang paghuhukay. Paano kayo niyan? Sige, pigilan yung paghukay na General Torre. Tingnan natin kung hindi kayo makulong. Hinahanap nila si Kibuloy, kaya tumigil kayo, magsigilid-gilid na kayo. Hinahanap nila si Kibuloy, hindi si Attorney Torion ang hinahanap. Kaya tumilid ka na Torion, hindi ka kailangan dito. Dapat gawin ni Bato, si Kibuloy, pakiusapan, mag-surrender, hindi ang PNP pa ito. Kuya Choy, kahapon, di ba, mayroon siyang konting panawagan din kay, hindi ko alam kung panawagan ba yung kay Kibuloy, na sana, sumuko na. Oo. Kasi nakikita naman talaga nila, napagod na rin yung mga members. Kaso hindi naman talaga tumadidirekta ni Bato, kasi nga, si Kibuloy, alam mo naman kay Duterte. Rule of law, General Torre, God bless po, mabuhay pambansang PNP, go, 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 good job PNP. Yun. So, sandali, tapusin na natin tong ano ni General Torre.
We have a high respect to our senators and we always thank them and I would like to express my personal gratitude to them for giving us this chance to also air our side, which have been so long suppressed during all of these operations.
But did you feel that the hearing was one-sided?
No. We were given a chance to air our side. The good senator had been very good to us. They gave us the chance to also give our presentation.
Good afternoon po, Ate Merlinda Estrella. Yes! Totoo, Kuya Choy, si Kibuloy lang naman talaga. Si Kibuloy lang ang punot dulo ng lahat ng ito. Kung bakit napapagod ang PNP, kung bakit pagod na rin ang mga members ng KOJC, si Kibuloy lang ang rason. Siya lang naman. Once sumuko o mahuli si Kibuloy, tapos na. Back to normal na kayo dyan sa KOJC compound. Back to normal na itong mga PNP. Iba na ulit ang trabaho nilang gagawin. Hindi na dito mag-focus kay Kibuloy. Si Kibuloy, ang root of all evil. Wow. Siya ang punot dulo at ugat ng ating mga problema ngayon. Di ba? Inday? Di ba?
Sir, di ba nag-huddle kayo for a minute? Anong nangyari sa usapan niyo about the tunnel thing?
It's not about the tunnel. It's about a single instrument, which I do believe is canalizing us and limiting us to a single instrument, considering that we have brought in lots of instrument.
Yung hamon kasi ni Torion dun sa photon something, parang yun na lang ata gagamitin nila. Ang daming gamit nila General Torre para makita kung nasaan nga si Kibuloy. So yun nga lang, hindi ata nagkasundo dun sa gusto rin nila Torion. So eto, walang usapan na nangyari. Hindi nagkasundo
That they don't want us to use. I don't think that's really fair, or that I don't think that's wise. And again, that is another demonstration of, again, them insisting their way.
Sir, gaano pa ito katagal?
Hanggang sa mahuli si Apollo Kibuloy.
Hanggang sa mahuli si Pastor! Diyos me, pag hindi talaga sumuko si Kibuloy at patuloy ang paghaharang ng mga members, matatagalan tayo dito. Sabi rin nga ni sabi nga rin ni General Torre dun sa sa hearing. Kahit nga daw walang nang di-distract, medyo matatagalan pa rin daw sila talaga sa paghahanap. So mas maganda talagang wala na mag-distract para parehas lang naman matagal Nadodoble triple lang ang tagal dahil sa members Tapos yung mga SMNI pa.
Hanggang sa pagbabalik ni Apollo Kibuloy.
Ang pagbabalik! Di ba? Ang pagbabalik ni Apollo Kibuloy. Diyos mio. Ay, naibsan lahat ng galit natin kay Senator Bayas sa pinakitang tibay ni General Saludo. Magaling talaga yung ginawa ni ni General Torre sa presentation niya. Sandali nga, natin to. Parang na-send ko na ata yun. Play natin. Ito yung part ng mga presentation ni General Torre. Na-download ba? Did I download it? Sandali, check ko lang po Oo, na-download ko nga ito. Ito. Panoorin natin to Ito yung sa presentation ni General Torre. Ito yung side niya. Ito yung side niya. Kaya napahiya dito si Torion Kala talaga nila papanig sa kanila ang lahat. No! No. Tagal, medyo mahaba kasi nasa 10 minutes to Nasa 10 minutes ang ating video na ina-upload ngayon. Magtutuloy-tuloy ito Magsasalita-salita na lang ako mamaya habang nagpe-present si General Torre. Ay hindi, pwede ko naman ito dito pala i-play. Dito ko na lang i-play. Papahirapan ko pa sarili ko.
In preventing or delaying searches is quarters ng mga babae yan. And we have heard it a while ago from one of our resource persons na puro daw mga quarters ng mga babae. And true enough. Next.
Ayun na naman yung mga Rex, DJ. Dahil mo alam. Puro kayo bangag.
In these three areas that we searched, we observed that Kibuloy's room is the only man's room in these areas. I would like to ask KOJC to tour you on those facilities in the ACQ College of Ministry, in the cathedral, in the first floor of the JMC building, in the dormitory of the pastorals, if there are other men living in that area, and show to you, to August senators and reporters, if there are really other men living in that area aside from Kibuloy, in the midst of women.
What are you trying to imply?
I'm trying to imply, sir, that the warrant, especially this
Ito mahalataro nyo dito si Bato. Masyadong guilty si Bato. Na ini-imply daw ni General Torre na nakikipag-sip-sipping ang ating Pastor Kibuloy sa mga kababaihan. Nahahalatang guilty tuloy. Di ba? Bias.
warrant in branch 106 for violation of section 5P of RA 7610 that reads, the charges The warrant is subsisting on August 8, issued on August 8, and signed by Judge Noel Parel. Pasensya na kayo, sir. Affected ako, sir, sa mga ganitong klaseng warrant, sir. The
Continue.
charges is
Continue.
the warrant was issued for violation of Section 5B of RA 7610 that reads, those who commit an act of sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct with a child exploited in prostitution or subject to other sexual abuse. The law, sir. Next slide, please. And all the rooms of Apollo Kibuloy are not offices. All these rooms are bedrooms.
Puro
including the
bedroom.
cathedral.
Ang tamang narinig, no? Hindi mga opisina nakapalibot kung hindi puro bedrooms. Ang sinasabi pa ni Torion, paano nyo nalaman na puro lang kababaihan na nakapalibot? Oh my goodness, Torion. I-defend mo pa talaga. Ay, Diyos ko, Torion.
Next slide, please. His room in the ACQ College of Ministry
Wow!
is the most lavish so far.
Kay ganda naman ang kwarto ni Kibuloy. Ay, parang hindi pahingahan ang itsura niya na. Parang hindi pahingahan yan. Ano sa tingin nyo? Ano to, hotel?
Next slide. With a jacuzzi to boot. And that is surrounded by rooms of
May
women.
jacuzzi pa! Oh my goodness! May jacuzzi pa. May jacuzzi ka? May magandang kwarto? May mga babaeng nakapalibot sa'yo. Wow! Living the life pala si Kibuloy. Ay, grabe. Living the life. Kaya pala ngayon nagtatago na.
Adjacent to it is a room for a woman we have not yet identified. Next slide.
Well, as if
Assessment.
you're trying to impute malice.
Diyos, malis!
You're trying to impute malice because, dali, like, yung bathtub na yan, regardless kung gaano kamahal yan, kaya nga niya bumili ng eroplano eh. Kaya nga niya bumili ng helicopter eh. So,
Sir,
nung
the warrant of arrest had already been issued by a judge on charges of sex with a minor.
Yan.
so,
That means, sir, that the rooms that we are searching is really the room of Apollo Kibuloy based on all the indicators. Kaya lang, sir, tagus-tagusan ng mga kwarto, tagus-tagusan ng mga pinto. Kailangan namin, sir, search on our own terms.
Si Robin, oh. Tingnan si Robin, oh. Sabi ni Robin, Pastor, ang hirap mo ipagtanggol, Pastor. Paano kita dito ilulusot, Pastor? Stress na stress si Robin, oh. Kita niyo? Yan, oh. Nakanina yung Aquino ang posture. Sakit ang ulo niyan.
but
Not on the terms of...
you agree with me
DOJ.
that all you are saying are all theories.
Yes, sir, of course.
Tourist naman talaga.
Have you seen Pastor Apollo Kibuloy making sex with the
Eh,
children in the
pagtanggol mo ba?
We are not saying,
Wala naman, di ba?
we are not saying, sir, it's in the warrant.
Because you are trying to impute malice
Pagtanggol mo pa.
in your statements.
Sige.
No, sir. I'm not imputing malice. I'm just
Well,
reading what
hindi
is
naman,
in the...
I was not
Eh.
born yesterday. The way you deliver your
Okay.
statement is trying to impute malice.
What I'm saying, sir, is that the evidence that we see is supporting the warrant of arrest for sex with a
Yun ang
child.
point.
Okay, you're free to make your
Sige, pagtanggol mo.
own assessment. But I am also free to, as the chairman of this committee,
Yes, sir, of course.
that's what I observe from you.
Hong Kong
You're trying
TV
to
shout out.
impute malice on the subject with the absence of actual sex happening in that bathtub.
I think
Sino?
the
Oh,
actual sex happening, sir, was already discussed and already studied by the judge.
ay,
That's why he asked for, he
hindi
issued a
po sa
warrant.
dyan nangyayari.
No, sir.
Okay.
Kaya nga may
Oh.
warrant.
Applying,
Hindi nangyayari dyan.
from the bathtub, sir. What I'm saying, sir,
I'm not lawyering for Pastor
Uwe!
Kibuloy. I am just
Uy! Hindi daw siya lawyering kay pastor. Hindi halata. Hindi halatang naglo-lawyering ka. Ha, hindi. Sinong inuuto mo? Bato, sinong inuuto mo ba to?
trying to, you know, based on what you
Oh!
are saying, I'm just trying to,
what I'm saying, sir, is that, back, please. Previous slides, please. Previous slide. Ito, sir, ang observations lang naman.
okay, observations.
Previous
You are free to make your own observations.
The
Go
most
ahead.
common refrain is the use of women.
Okay.
Which nakita namin, sir, 99% of people tailing us. Kita mo, sir, yung sa kanina yung diwata. Si Mr. Darwin Salcedo lang halos ang lalaki. Babae lahat na sa paligid niya. Di ba, sir? Iyon ang mga warriors nila, sir, eh. True enough, we
Point
find
of order, Your Honor. Point of order.
Yeah, go ahead.
It seems
What's your
that
point of
the
order?
presentation of the General, Your Honor, is being used really not to present facts
yan
of
na.
what happened, but to present his view of Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy in order to malign him, in
Correct.
order to make him look bad to the people without even presenting a single evidence and possible reason why is it
Eh.
that those that the what you call this, the location of the rooms are like that, simply because of the fact that there are many members of the
Itong isang babae, ito nakakasar to. Yan nasa gitna ni Torion tapos yung naka-brown na lalaki. Meron dyan revelation si Ma'am Arlene Stone. Panoorin yung isang upload ko bago tong live na to. Panoorin niyo mo yung live ko kaninang umaga. Meron siyang kinuwento patungkol dito sa babaeng to. Kung ano yan ni Pastor Kibuloy. Balikan niyo yun mamaya katapos ng live na to. Magugulat kayo kung anong kinalaman nitong babaeng ito kay Pastor Kibuloy.
KOJC, and to impute malice
Uy.
into his supposed presentation, Your Honor, which is actually a confirmation that he is turning an arrest warrant into a general warrant, which is prohibited in the Constitution, Your Honor, because
Sige,
he is
magtango lang
conducting
kamo.
only search based
Tango-tango
only
sila.
on an arrest warrant. And we were even trapped on September 2 of 2024, where his police women went there, Your Honor. It was already day 9. The patience of the people there was already running thin.
Lagi
And
yung ano,
they were there, Your
lagi nilang pinupush yung mga tao. Niraraso nila yung mga tao, mga members. Kaya talaga nagiging human shield ni Pastor Kibuloy itong mga members niya. Di ba ang galing? Yan ang leader. Yung leader nasa likod. Yung mga members sumaharap. Ang lupit.
Your Honor, many times already, all women, these men, they tried to assert their right that his women was only carrying an
remind, from, walang factual basis.
this is supported by the videos. Kanina pa, sir, yung sinasabi na quarters ng mga babae yan. Paulit-ulit yan, sir.
Kaya nga.
Sige, sir.
Diyan,
Noted na yan.
diyan
ng
nahalata
committee.
si
Yung room ni
Bato
Pastor
na bias.
Kibuloy, surrounded by rooms of women.
Next slide, please.
So,
Yes, sir.
that's a fact. Go beyond that fact.
Push na natin.
Assessment.
Your Honor, if I may point of order, how did he know that those are
Ayan
rooms
na.
of women in the first place? Sir.
Okay, can you
And that
explain?
prior to the time when Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy did not can no longer be found since March, how did he know that what you call this, those were occupied by in fact women?
Anong since? Kailan? Nandali. Okay.
Why? Was he staying there?
Oh, you want to answer? Yeah, go ahead.
Just manifestation of impartiality and fairness,
Yan,
Mr.
yan,
Chair and Your Honors. And I just would like to ask if a resource person could raise a point of order, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
You are raising a good point. I think as far as the rules of this committee,
So, general observation. These are our general observations, sir.
Sandali.
The most
Doon tayo
common
sa-
refrain of KOJC in preventing or delaying searches
Doon tayo sa next video.
the members of the committee can raise a point of order. So I take back my consideration of this point of order. Okay? Fair enough. Okay, thank you. Please continue.
Thank you very much, sir. So, let me just go to my assessment. Matatapos na tayo, sir. We are still very far in completing the search for Apollo Kibuloy and KOJC. The operation is hindered and controlled by the KOJC, who uses its followers to intervene, interfere, harass, cause delays, and in general disrupt the search. We believe that this allows Kibuloy and others to relocate and hide, change their location, as the search, even just in a single building, is being conducted, notwithstanding changing his location. Sa ngayon, sir, ang SMNI studio, hindi pa nga namin, sir, nasa-search eh. Hindi pa namin nasa-search, sir, sa loob yan. Add to this, the numerous CCTV.
So guys, bali dito sa nangyari kahapon, ang sinasabi nga ni General Torre is lahat ng mag-obstruction of justice magsimula kagabi hanggang ngayon sa masusunod na araw, testingin nila. Testingin nila na humarang at makialam sa ginagawa ng mga kapulisan para magkaalaman na kung bluff nga ba ang sinasabi ni General Torre. Ha? Tingnan natin kung kaya nyo hamunin ngayon si General Torre. Kung gusto nyo makulong, go! Basta ang goal nila General Torre at ating mga kapulisan is isa lang. The one and only goal at pinakapunot dulo ng lahat ng ito, si Pastor Kibuloy ay dapat mahuli. At ang nagtatanong, bakit sigurado ba silang nandyan? Meron mga informant sila General Torre na nagsasabi na sure silang nandyan pa sa loob si Pastor Kibuloy. Paano na sure? Baka yung mga informant na yan ay isa sa mga members na nandyan mismo sa loob. Hindi natin alam. Speculation ko rin to. Theory ko rin to. Na baka yung mga nagsasabi kila General Torre mismo mga tao lang dyan sa loob. So titingnan natin kung sino nga ba ang unang mahuli ng mga kapulisan. Kung sino unang magpapasaway. Yan. Kung sinong unang magte-testing. Ha? At humarang sa ginagawa ng mga kapulisan natin. General Torre, we salute you. Isa kang tunay at matapang na pulis na talagang ginagawa lang ang trabaho sa tamang paraan. Huwag kayong makinig sa